So, hello everyone. First of all, I want to apologize for today mornings where I was not able to demonstrate how to use the YAPEXIL-cli to create an exercise, and I apologize for this. But this video will guide you through creation of an exercise using the YAPEXIL-cli, and we'll be doing this from scratch. So first, let's imagine that we do not have installed the YAPEXIL-cli. Then let's install this. First, let's install this by cloning the repository. And after cloning, you go inside the YAPEXIL-cli folder, type npm install to install all dependencies that the YAPEXIL-cli will need it. Just give some explanations about this globally installation. If you want to use the YAPEXIL-cli outside from the main folder, you can install this YAPEXIL-cli in global mode, so you can use this CLI wherever you want. But for this example, we will just use this CLI inside the main folder, so this installation is not necessary. After doing this, to create an exercise, you can type YAPEXIL create. Oh, sorry. This command will generate an YAPEXIL exercise from scratch with the full properties. The exercise are being serialized inside the YAPEXIL-cli and inside the exercise folder. As you can see, the exercise generated was this one, but you can also modify properties of your recently created exercise. You can do this by using the // option with additional options such as title, author, keywords. Remember that the keyword has to be separated by these slashes, status, types, and so on. Let's try to do this right here. So if we copy and paste, we have an exercise with created with non-default properties. So the title is example, the keywords are HTML, Java, and so on. To modify these properties and add statement solutions or remove, you can use the option / modify. Let's see this in practice for we can get some insights about what this is. First, you will need to have the ID of your exercise. This is why I copied this ID right here. And if I just type modify, the modification will perform nothing because we do not pass any modification flags. But if we try to modify, for instance, let's try to add a solution and add a test output and test input using this. First, I will just replace the wrong ID with the right ID. So here he is. And we have a solution content, test that was added, and so on. If you do not supply, for instance, a content. Let's say the YAPEXIL will give you an error, and they will say what is being missing. So you can use this as a tip if you are getting some errors. Another, this last line here that I let's just copy the correct ID from the exercise that we are modifying and use right here. So here it says that is missing natural language. So let's put this natural language. Is here, yes. Was missing a space. And voila, we have a completed customized exercise created by YAPEXIL-cli. You can see that we use the creation to create an empty exercise, and after this creation we use the modify flag with modifications in some properties to give some to customize our exercise. If you have any doubts about this YAPEXIL-cli and how it's working right now, you can send me an email. And once more, sorry for today morning. See you.